Hi, welcome to my channel about fischertechnik, robotics and embedded systems. The focus of this video is my embedded system ESP32 with different electronic components, heat and temperatures, humidity sensor, some segment display, an ordinary LED, buzzer and a light dependent resistor, and two motors. Fischertechnik pulse width driven and a servomotor also pulse width driven. This one is running. Doubtful why, because there's no program running yet. But last time I wanted to connect that motor to an alternative output of the ESP and that went wrong. So I want to find out if the problem with the ESP is indeed caused by that and how I can solve the power problem that turned out to be there because I put two motors on the same output. And previously this one ran fine, that one didn't run, and after connecting that one together with this one stopped running nicely. So something to find out, and to do that I switch to screencast. So with different setup, camera on top, obviously the motors and ESP, under is oscilloscope, only the top two lines are used, with the yellow line for the latest connection to the motor, which went wrong last time, and the blue line for the existing one being the servomotor. Obviously in Arduino the ESP code, and then the terminal for running it. And the problem is then here. This was servo 2. According to the information to the ESP book by Colburn, it would be an RX, but given the results of last time, this is just a D2, a digital port, either input or output, I don't know. But given the fact that it is either one or the other, assumingly, I can try again and see whatever it gives. If it goes wrong again, I either can only use one motor or have them working together on this output, which went wrong last time, or it is goodbye fischertechnik motor for this project. Anyway, let's see how this ends up. Oh, and by the way, this is then the Fritzing, with this being the latest connection, power and pulse width modulation for this motor, which is then the fischertechnik motor, and this is the obviously the servomotor, which gets pulse width modulation from here. But let's try. Okay, so that is quite obvious. Another thing is that the motor has been running around and around for quite a while now, also without being recorded, but the pulse width modulation right here is nowhere to be seen, and that's a bit weird. So apparently okay, there was now there's pulse width modulation and it's running, and I should actually put a different timing on that line, but anyway, that's not the main thing. The main thing is that for my version of the ESP, this, and with that let me go back, that this one is not a good idea. But how to do it, that's another question. Because I have 3 RX connections and one I have already used with this, with the 7-segment display. So maybe I have to cut that short or do something else. Otherwise, yeah, bye bye fischtechnik motor. But let's see how that works out. So from this situation, looking at Kolben's book, this is clearly not my version of the ESP, because I am connected now through 09. No, 9, it's GPIO 9, which is an RX, RX for receive. But mine is a digital input or output. Then going here, U2 RX, the last possibility, but as you can see here, this one I already figured out is the 4th. Something quite wrong with the wires, but anyway, it is this wire, which is coming from 16. So I have to figure out how to solve that one. Now here's an open one, so I might take a look there. Let's see how this works out. This one anyway is going out. Let me see if I can put it away. Oops, no. That removes the motor as well. Anyway, I have something to solve. Question is, what and how? So this is my intended solution. From 9 I am going to, let's go here, GPIO 0. And in these schematics it's clearly visible. So this part will go there. And this will be 0 then. Nothing else to adjust. Not going to upload because it's not adjusted on the board yet. And then I hope it will be solved. But I need to adjust GPIO 16 to 0. So let's adjust things. So that was a very big change, and now it's time to actually connect this wire to the motor and see if the motor actually does work. Because that is still a big question. Oh wait, I made a mistake here. This has to be 0. Servo pulse 2 has to be changed, which is here. Servo pulse 2 needs to be 16, not 0. Hard reset. Lo and behold, the motor is running. Now also this one has to be running, and it is. So that is a massive change. And I'm happy to see that this worked out. So while this is working out, it is clear from the output that the humidity and temperature sensor stopped giving nice output, but I'll leave that for next time. What I still need to do is tidying up here and tidying up here a little bit. So let's finish with that, and then see for next time. But first, so when with these changes, getting the fischertechnik motor attached and working, having the servo motor still working, and unfortunately the humidity and temperature sensor not working anymore, but that's for next time. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, click the bell for notifications, leave a comment or suggestion, very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Twitter and Instagram, and please support via either a donation via PayPal or Ko-fi, or becoming a patron for as little as €2 or $2 a month. Very much appreciated, of course. Please take a look at my website for more embedded systems and also fischertechnik projects. This one is, of course, to be continued. For now, have a great day, take care, stay safe, bye.